Hello internet people, my name is Robert, and in this video I will show you how to connect your NameCheap domain to Shopify. Let's start by going to Shopify dashboard. I'm here in my Shopify dashboard, and all I have to do is come here down, click on settings, and here we need to find domains here at the bottom, and next click on the connect existing domain since you already have it at NameCheap. Type in the domain name and click on next. And now you have to go to your NameCheap. And in NameCheap I already logged in, and I'm here inside domain list, and this is the domain name I want to connect to Shopify. So I'm going to click on manage. Then make sure you have the NameCheap basic DNS set, and then go to advanced DNS here on the top. So here just scroll down and click on add new record, and we're going to first add a record. The host will be @ and the IP address in this case is Shopify's IP address. I have it here. I'll also leave it in the description of this video. You can just grab it from there or just copy it from this. Then let's add it. So I clicked on the green check mark there, and then there's another record we need to add, which is CNAME record. In this case, the host will be www, and then I need to take the target, which is just shops.myshopify.com. And I'm gonna paste it in here. Again, click on the to save the changes. If you have a CNAME record with www already, then just overwrite that one. Otherwise, you can just create new one. Okay, we're almost done. Now, if you go back to Shopify, and you can click on verify connection. Usually the DNS setting updates, they appear almost immediately, but it might take up to 24, even 48 hours. So you might have to wait a little bit. And you see it immediately recognized it, and actually you already see SSL pending. This will happen within the next hour or so. You're gonna have also SSL protection. It's by default, you get it in Shopify. If this video was useful, hit the like button so I know you like this type of videos. And since you're building an online shop, then you need to check out these 4 web stores. They have amazing designs and features, and these will just get your creative juices flowing.